I'm the one doing it. Now you called me a pig. Do you see me pissed off?
Did I call him a pig? Or did I just laugh because it was ironic? Because I don't remember calling him a pig. I just remember, like, laughing because he's calling me a pig, yet, you know, it's self-explanatory. Like, come on, bro. It's simple logic.
He didn't say you were a pig.
Exactly, I did not.
What did he study in psychology? What did he study in psychology?
English.
First, what did you study? Tell me the course in some psychology course you did.
No, you're not my lecturer.
But Kasuku, you might not be the one who started for those exams. You don't know the course unit. In psychology, someone can come to the Kasuku, you are walking like a cow. He said, Kasuku, you are walking dancing. Which the pig which walks dancing?
That is the worst analogy I've ever heard in my life. That is the worst analogy I've ever heard in my life. It does not even make sense. I don't know what point he's trying to make.
So you get to understand what they are saying?
They are saying that I'm a pig. The man came here, ready handed it, confidently.
And said what?
That me pig, look at his head. He was meaning that my head, I'm the one who resembles a pig, not him.
Oh, so he has a little bit of sense. He understands a little bit.
Let us be realistic, Kasuku. These people, they have logic. I'm telling you, stop sugarcoating. The only problem we have is sugarcoat everything.
But that is why I asked you earlier, were you hurt?
No, I'm not hurt, but
at the time,
let me give you the translation. He made that I'm the one who looks like a pig, not him.
Yeah, because you earlier called him a pig.
Because he said that how can a pig abuse a pig?
I didn't even say that. I didn't even say that.
The logic behind this statement. You know that why you're laughing. Look at this man. How many minutes have you done? I have a...
Kasuku's very mature about this, you know? I delivered my points, he realized I was right, you know? So, all respect towards him. You feel me? If I meet him again, because I met him before, if I meet him again, it's all love, you know? At the end of the day, the most mature people know how to argue with an open mind and not take feelings into it. So, all respect to him. As for the guy on the left, bro, I don't even have... There's nothing I can say to him. He'll die in his own movie. Like, I'm not gonna comment on him again. Well, wait. That's a drag. Let's react.